everyone, welcome back to OdinSchool's YouTube channel. So let me tell you something interesting. So in 1990s, a young chess grandmaster named Gary Kasparov faced off against IBM's supercomputer, Deep Blue. So everyone expected raw computing power to crush human intuition. But in the first match, Kasparov won not because he calculated faster, but because he thought differently. So he saw patterns, anticipated moves, and used creativity to beat the machine. That's the urge companies like Capgemini are looking for today. Generative AI engineers who combine technical skills with creativity and vision to solve problems in ways a machine alone can never do that. Capgemini started in a two-room apartment in France with just a handful of people. And today, it's a global tech powerhouse with 350,000 plus employees across 50 plus countries. From humble beginnings to shaping the future of AI, cloud, and digital innovation, that's the Capgemini journey. It has its own internal World Cup, but for coders. So it's called the Tech Challenge. Winners don't just walk away with prizes, they get global recognition and job offers for top tech roles, including AI and Gen AI teams. Alright, here's the role in a nutshell. So you will be stepping into a position of generative AI engineer. The job locations? They're Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, Gurgaon, or Mumbai, and they're looking for professionals with at least 1 year of experience. It's a full time role, and the compensation is completely negotiable. So it's all about the value and skills you bring to the table. And let's talk about the kind of person Capgemini wants for this role. You should have a bachelor's or master's in computer science, data science, AI, or any related domain. So next, coming to skills, strong Python is a must, along with experience in ML libraries like PyTorch and TensorFlow. For generative AI, they are looking for someone who's worked with LLMs, transformers, and frameworks like Hugging Face or LangChain. And finally, on the data side, you should be comfortable with vector databases, embeddings, retrieval augmented generation, and know your way around data processing, feature engineering, and API integration. So if that sounds like you already halfway there. So this is not just about tinkering with AI models. Here's what you'll be doing actually. So firstly, you will be doing model optimization. You should fine tune large language models for real world enterprise use cases. And then application development. Here, you will be building cutting edge generative AI apps that go from idea to production. Coming to RAG pipeline engineering, you should create robust context aware AI systems with vector search. And then API integration. Expose AI models to live business applications through scalable APIs. And at last, collaboration. Work with cross functional teams to deliver high value AI solutions. So, prepare for deep practical discussions. Here are the 5 expected interview questions. Firstly, tell us about an LLM fine tuning project you have done. Coming to the second question, how do you handle model hallucinations in generative AI? Third one, explain RAG with an example. Fourth one, what metrics do you use to evaluate LLM performance? Coming to the last but the most important one, share your experience with Hugging Face or LangChain. Don't just name drop, explain your reasoning and approach. Now let's talk about why this role is worth your attention. First, coming to salary, it's negotiable. So the better your skills, the better you offer. Second is growth. You will have a chance to accelerate your career inside a global tech ecosystem. And the projects. These aren't small experiments. You'll be working on generative AI solutions that can shape entire industries. Fourth one, the resources. You will get access to the latest AI tools, platforms, and continuous learning opportunities. And finally, the team. You will be collaborating with some of the most innovative minds from around the world. All right, let's talk about how you can stand out for this role. Here are my 4 tips. Tip number 1, showcase depth. Don't just say I used GPT-4 for this project. Explain the architecture you chose, how you handle fine tuning, and why. For example, if you built a customer support chatbot, talk about how you optimize prompt design, managed context length, and improved latency for real time responses. Coming to the second tip, hands on proof. Show your work with real frameworks like Hugging Face or LangChain. For example, create a demo where you integrate LangChain with a vector database to answer domain specific questions and share it on GitHub or your portfolio. Coming to the third tip, end to end execution. Employees love seeing that you can take projects from idea to production. For example, build a generative AI powered report generator. So, containerize it with Docker, deploy it on cloud service, and monitor its performance over time. Coming to the last but most important tip, stay current. So, generative AI evolves fast. So, keep up with the latest trends. For example, if OpenAI releases a new API feature, experiment with it and write a short blog post or LinkedIn article explaining what it does and how it can be applied in the business. And that's your roadmap to crack the generative AI engineer role at Capgemini. If you found this breakdown useful, like, share, and subscribe to OdinSchool for more role deep dives. Remember, skills open the doors, but clarity, preparation, and execution get you high. See you in the next one. Thank you.